Okie Dokeys!
In this video, we'll learn how to sew all the pieces of your amigurumi together. This is the final step in assembling your project. Thread the yarn tail from one of your pieces, such as a leg or an arm, onto a yarn needle. Position the piece onto the body where you want it to be attached. Make sure the placement is even. Sew around the edge of your piece or whatever part you need sewn on, using even stitches to secure it to the body. Continue sewing until the entire piece is attached, making sure it stays in place as you work. Finish the piece off by hiding your extra yarn tail throughout the body by going under a couple stitches and pulling the needle out through a random part. Cut the yarn and you're all finished. That's how you sew amigurumi pieces together. Once all the pieces are attached, your project is complete and ready to display or gift.